What happens when you start taking 2 spoonfuls of apple cider vinegar before bed? You might be surprised to know that this simple habit can offer a range of health benefits. In this video, I'll share the potential benefits of drinking apple cider vinegar at night. If you are curious to know, what are these benefits? Is it good to drink apple cider vinegar before bed? And how much should you drink daily? Then keep watching this video until the end. Apple cider vinegar has been used for centuries, as far back as 5000 BC for medicinal purposes. It's made by combining apples with yeast, which is then fermented into acetic acid by added bacteria. Apple cider vinegar also contains water, vitamins, minerals, and trace amounts of other acids. Modern studies show that consuming apple cider vinegar before bed can do wonders for your health. Let's take a look at the benefits of drinking ACV at night. Promotes better digestion. Apple cider vinegar promotes better digestion. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes and increases stomach acid levels. This helps break down food more efficiently, making nutrients easier to absorb. This process prevents issues like bloating, gas, and indigestion. ACV also encourages the growth of healthy gut bacteria, further enhancing digestive health. Enhances sleep quality. If you're having trouble getting to sleep, then your body may be lacking certain important minerals. ACV enhances sleep quality by providing essential minerals like potassium and magnesium. Potassium helps regulate muscle contractions. It reduces the likelihood of nighttime leg cramps that can disrupt sleep. While magnesium is known for its calming effects on the nervous system, it promotes relaxation and helps to maintain a steady sleep cycle. These two minerals work together to ensure you get restful and uninterrupted sleep. So, drinking ACV before bed helps to balance the natural rhythm of sleep. Balance blood sugar level. Several recent studies showed that consuming apple cider vinegar with a meal or after eating, that helped to regulate the glycemic response from the food. It helps to enhance insulin sensitivity and slow carbohydrate digestion. This prevents rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels. Consuming apple cider vinegar before bed helps to improve the blood sugar profile of diabetics and pre-diabetics. Boosts detoxification. Drinking ACV can help improve the detox process. It supports liver function and helps to flush out toxins. The acetic acid found in ACV improves the liver's ability to cleanse the blood. It increases useful enzymes that aid in detoxifying the body. That breaks down harmful substances more efficiently. Additionally, vinegar's antibacterial properties help maintain a healthy gut. Reduces acid reflux. If you are suffering from a burning sensation in your chest or throat after eating, you may suffer from acid reflux. Apple cider vinegar can help reduce acid reflux symptoms by balancing stomach acid levels. Acid reflux causes stomach acid to move upwards into your food pipe, that causing irritation and pain. The acetic acid found in the vinegar helps to prevent reflux at night. It also supports the release of digestive enzymes. ACV helps to eliminate undigested food waste by lubricating the digestive system. To use ACV for acid reflux drink before meals or bedtime. Good for weight loss. This is well-known benefit of apple cider vinegar. When drinking this before bed, your body is able to burn fat whilst you sleep. It lowers the glycemic response when you eat carbohydrates. You will feel full for a longer period and eat fewer calories. From the next day, you will notice a lesser appetite because the acetic acid has provided fuel to your cells. This way, you will consume fewer calories and it helps in weight loss. Improve the immune system. ACV rich in beta-carotene and acetic acid. These two antioxidants improve the immune system by reducing damage caused by free radicals. This can increase your body's ability to defend against diseases and infections. Helps build muscle. As we get older, especially over 50, the stomach acids become weaker, which makes it harder to digest protein. That causes lower amino acid production, which building blocks of protein are needed to keep the body strong with age. Drinking ACV regularly can help your digestive system absorb and fix amino acids. This can keep your muscles, teeth, bones, skin, hormones, and other proteins all strong. Prevents cancer cells. It may surprise you. Even though apple cider vinegar tastes acidic, but it has an alkaline effect on the body. It is believed that being alkaline can prevent cancer cells from growing. Also, by promoting alkalinity, it helps fight cancer. These are some important benefits of consuming apple cider vinegar at night. Now, let's see. How much apple cider vinegar should you drink daily? To get ACV benefits, it is important to take it in the right quantity. Mix 2 tablespoons of organic, unpasteurized, and undiluted apple cider vinegar in 16 ounces of water, 500 milliliters. You can add honey or lemon for flavor, if desired. Drink it with a straw before bed. because the acid is good for your stomach, but it can harm your teeth. Alternatively, you can do this before meals. Drink it about 30 minutes before bed for optimal results. This gives your body ample time to adjust. Make sure to choose a brand that has not been diluted with water, as this will weaken its effects. One more important thing for acid reflux issues, it's recommended to drink this before a meal, which helps digest and break down your food properly. Did you find this information helpful? If so, type ACV benefits in the comments to let us know your feedback. Meanwhile, you may watch this video for some similar health benefits. Tap on your screen now. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button on the video to support us, and share this video with your friends and family. Stay fit, and thanks for watching this video.